A very warm welcome to you in our channel, Enabling at Lynn Austin. In this YouTube channel, we will have professional development videos on many topics. To crack interviews, to talk to clients, have effective business meetings, and much more. These are helpful even if you are in job, freelancing, self-employment, or in business. But what is professional development? In any sector, professional development means one need to have good understanding of the basics in that sector, even if you have not worked on it, because any employer or client prefers to have a person who explores, knows the sector than only following instructions. Professional development is needed in all sectors like IT software, finance, teaching, etc. First, we will talk about IT software as this sector has lot of scope, be it jobs, business, and freelancing, even when someone wants to work from home. In IT software, we will first talk about website development. These days, even small to small businesses wants to have a website as everything is online, be it buying, selling, training, services or anything else. Do you know how many websites are live on internet today? Tell us in the comment section. If you need a hint, this number is more than lakhs. In website development, we will first learn the terminologies which must be known. There are more than 50 terms, hence we will have multiple videos for this. Each video will have few terms with example and usage than bookish definition. You must watch each video to learn this sector. So let's deep dive now. First term is website. A website is a collection of many web pages. All these pages are connected with each other via links for easy navigation. There are many examples of websites like Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, etc. There are free and paid platforms to build websites which can be used to build multi-feature website even without coding. Second term is e-commerce, which is called electronic commerce. When we buy and sell any stuff on internet, then it's called e-commerce. The website where we buy and sell are called e-commerce websites. Flipkart and Amazon are example of such websites. Third term is B2C. E-commerce has many types. Most common is B2C, which means business to consumer. Business is the one who sells and consumer who buys. In B2C, consumers are individuals or family. If we buy something from Flipkart or Amazon or any other e-commerce site, then it is B2C. In B2C, sales are faster with a small deal size. Fourth term is B2B. B2B means business to business e-commerce. In this, the transaction happens between two businesses. Buyers are not individuals here. Examples here can be heavy machines, etc., which one business makes and another business can buy. Distributor businesses can be the example as well. Sales cycles are long here and many people are involved to close the deal. The simple reason is because it is happening between two different businesses. The deal size is large as well. Now, we will learn about some less common but important types of e-commerces. First one is m-commerce or mobile commerce. When any B2C purchase is done on mobile, then it's called m-commerce. Simple. Next is C2C, which means customer to customer. Here, one individual sells and other individual buys. Example of C2C sites can be OLX, eBay, Quikr. Here, people like us are posting the items to sell and we buy also. Next one is C2B, which means customer to business. In this, example can be photos, etc., which are taken by an individual photographer and he or she can sell it to any business for calendar or magazine cover, etc. So here we learned about different types of e-commerces. That's it in this video. You can connect with us by visiting our website, joining our Facebook and WhatsApp group. Links are there on the screen and in the description box as well. To get more knowledge about website development, please watch all videos of this series. Our motivation to make more knowledgeable content is your likes, so please like the video. You can share it widely as well to help others for free. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get new video notifications on time. We'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning and be happy.